my channel, The Baking Diva. And for those of you that are new here, my name is Dolores, and I make all kinds of desserts, both sweet and savory, that everyone can make. So if you enjoy the channel and you enjoy the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, make a comment, and of course subscribe, because you won't want to miss any of my new recipes I have coming up. Well, today I am making something so easy for you. If you can count to 4, you can make this ice cream pie. It's so delicious and so easy. So I say, life is short, eat the pie. So I wanted to mention to you that at the end of this video, I'm going to show you a fantastic hack for making shaved chocolate that you can decorate the top of your pie with. So make sure you watch to the end. All right, what do you say we get going? Let's get started. So I'm working solo today. I don't have anybody to help me with the camera. So I hope I have everything in there. I'm doing the best I can. So what are you going to need first? Well, I'm using a store-bought 9-inch graham cracker pie crust. I mean, you can make your own if you want, but why not make it easy for yourself and buy a store-bought one. So I'm going to take the plastic topping off of this, and you know what? I've actually had a few people who did not know that this is to be used to cover your pie. So in case you didn't know that, that's what this is for. Okay, now because we're making an ice cream pie, you can use any combination of ice cream that you like. Now today, I'm using cookies and cream because my family likes that. But I have some other suggestions for you. I love coffee ice cream, so you can make coffee ice cream pie with mocha or fudge on it. How about a strawberry explosion? Strawberry ice cream with maybe some strawberry preserves on it. What about chocolate peanut butter? I mean, that's a favorite in this house too. Chocolate peanut butter ice cream. You can layer it with swirls of peanut butter and top it with some chocolate syrup or some hot fudge syrup. You can even make a Samoa one. You can layer it, let me see, you can use vanilla ice cream and layer it with some caramel and some chocolate and some whipped cream. I mean, the possibilities are endless. But today, we're doing it with cookies and cream. So once you have your pie crust here and your ice cream, take your ice cream out of the freezer because you want the ice cream to soften. So you can put it in the pie crust and then spread it out. So I've had this out for probably a half hour. I hope you can see this. So I'm going to put my ice cream into the pie crust. Now, it couldn't be easier than this. And remember, I said it's only 4 ingredients. So the pie crust is 1 and the ice cream is 2. So you're going to fill your pie crust with the ice cream. Look at those cookies in there. And once we get it filled, what I'm going to do is I'm going to spread it out so it's all nice in there. Put a little more in. I mean, this is so quick and easy to make and everybody loves it. Take my little spatula, press it down, and get the pie crust all filled with the ice cream. So once I get this all in here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the top back on this and I'm going to return it to my freezer for about an hour because now I want the ice cream to harden. There you go. So I'm going to do that now. I'm going to return it to the freezer, and as soon as it's hardened, I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you what we do next. So don't go away. Okay, the pie was in the freezer for about an hour. So I'm going to take the lid off it. And number 3, because remember we counted to 4. The pie crust was 1. The ice cream was 2. Now I'm going to use hot fudge for 3. Now you can get the one in the jar. That might even be easier to spoon out, but this is the one we have. So we are going to put a layer of hot fudge over this ice cream. Ooh, yeah. This comes out fine. Now, I'm going to make you laugh here. Well, not maybe. This little part here, I'm going to make a V. I happen to have a grandson here who, I don't know, he doesn't want the hot fudge. And he said, Grandma, can you make a part of the pie without the hot fudge for me? I don't know, I didn't know he didn't like hot fudge, so I'm not going to do that little part. But what can I say? Got to try to please him. All right, put this on. Okay, I'm going to take my spatula and spread that gently over the ice cream. I don't know why he doesn't want hot fudge. It looks good to me. All right, so after I get this fudge spread on the top, I'm going to return this to the freezer again for probably another hour or so until this hardens. Okay, I think we need a little bit more. Who said you have too much hot fudge? Not me. Okay. All right. So I'm going to finish spreading this on top, put the lid back on it. It's going in the freezer. And then I'll be back and we'll do part 4 with a little something extra. So stay tuned. Okay, so if you want to make little shavings, not curls, but shavings, you can do this. You can take a knife, you can use a potato peeler, and because it's starting to soften on the sides. See how easy that is? You can use just a knife. Potato peeler works great. This is good for if it's hard for you to hold an awkward bar and shave it. I just think this is easier, and my hands are clean, so don't worry about it. You see what we're getting here? Lots of little curls and shavings. Working good. See how easy it is? And we're going to put those on the top of our pie. So I'll finish doing the rest of this off camera. But look at that. I just wanted to show you how easy it is to do it. Okay? Just a little hack there. I have a guest with me now. The other way. No, not this way. Lucas. Say hi, Lucas.
Hi.
And he's doing some shavings for me of chocolate. And number 4 is going to be, we're going to put Cool Whip on top of this pie. Now, I was heavy-handed with the ice cream, and I put a lot of ice cream in this pie. So it's taken a little while to harden up, but I'm going to put the Cool Whip on it. And then I'm going to put it back in the freezer till it gets hard. And then we'll do a taste testing. And even though I did say it was 4, as you can see Lucas over there making the shavings. How's it coming, Lucas? Go easy. Then we're going to put shavings on the top of this before we eat it. Oh, look at that. Pretty good.
Going fast.
You don't go too, no, you're supposed to just like slide it, like slide lightly on the top. All right, so we're putting our Cool Whip on. It's going back in the freezer. And then when it hardens, we're going to put our shavings on top to decorate it. And we're going to do a taste testing. Right, Lucas? So don't go away. Okay, everybody, so I just took the pie out of the freezer. I think it's hard enough to cut. And as you can see, I put all those nice chocolate shavings on the top. So now we are going to do a taste testing. So let me give this baby, still soft. You can probably leave it in the freezer as long as you like, but for the sake of the video, I want to cut a piece and do a taste testing. So I'm probably taking it out a little too soon, but that's okay. Still gonna taste good, right? Yep, okay. I think that's down there. Oh boy. All right, let me see if I can get it out with this, because we always know the first piece is the hardest to get out. And this is no exception. I can't get it out. It's very soft in here. Very soft. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Ooh, I'm gonna put it back in the freezer after we do the taste testing, because I think it needs to be a little bit more chilled. So let me give this baby a little taste. And don't forget, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you on board this little baking journey of mine. So let me try this cookies and cream ice cream pie. Tastes good. Oh yeah. Very creamy. 2 thumbs up. And that hot fudge in there, not hot anymore, but it's delicious. Oh. Perfect dessert. So I hope you like this 4-ingredient ice cream pie. You can make it with any variation of ice cream that you'd like, and I'm sure you will enjoy it. So thanks for taking time out of your schedule to watch me make this, but best of all, make it, because I love you to watch me, but even better, I love it when you get back to me and tell me you made it. So anyway, thanks for watching. I appreciate you all. I love you, and I'll see you all very soon. Have to eat my pie now.